Assalamu alaikum. I am Tanzila Khanam and this is Psychology Basics Intermediate Lectures of Psychology. Today we are talking about the aspects of development. The process of development is continuous and it occurs in various aspects simultaneously. All these aspects are interconnected, but for the sake of study, we will discuss them separately. These aspects include physical domain of development, psychological aspect of development, cognitive or intellectual development, and social development. Today we will discuss the physical development in detail. Now, what is physical development? All the changes that take place in the body of an individual, including the brain, muscles, and senses, all come under the heading of physical development. An individual develops from a single cell to a full grown individual through physical development throughout his life. Physical development is most prominent aspect of the developmental aspects. The changes that take place in this domain all are observable and measurable. We can observe all the changes as well as we can observe measure them. The most important changes that take place include number one, maturation of a child's organ, development of muscles, and number two, increase in height and weight. The third one is all the internal systems of a child are developing through this in this physical aspect of development, including respiratory system, digestive system, glands, etc. Side by side, all the physical senses, all our physical five senses, sight, smell, touch, hearing, sound, that help children learn about the world are all developing in the physical domain of development. All these changes occur in an orderly manner and the child passes through different stages one by one to become a full grown adult. To study these changes one by one, we can divide physical development in different stages. The first one is prenatal period. Before birth, a child grows from a single cell to an embryo, then fetus, and then a full mature baby. He comes in the world. Experts say that even some senses like sense of hearing is also present in this period. The second stage of which changes we study in the physical development include infancy. Infancy ranges from birth till 2 years of age. The speed of growth is much faster in this period than rest of the stages. The child starts to hold his head, then he becomes able to sit, stand, walk, etc. And all these changes that are taking place in this period are observed clearly. The third stage of physical development is childhood. In this period, children grow in height and weight, of course, but they also develop motor skills. Their muscles and other organs get stronger and they achieve developmental milestones. Some of the basic motor skills include running, skipping, jumping, throwing, catching. You have seen if a small child like an infant then throws a ball, he cannot throw it at a very much distance. But when he becomes but when he gets the physical strength, he can throw the ball to a long distance. Fourth stage of physical development is adolescence. It includes our teenagers. Physical changes of puberty are the sign that adolescence has begun. These changes include a growth spurt in height, growth of pubic and underarm hair, and skin changes like pimples and acne is visible in teenage. Some changes that are specific to males, they include growth of facial hair like their beard and mustache and deepening of their eyes. In females or girls, these changes include breast development, and menstruation cycle starts. The next stage is adulthood. An individual reaches physical maturity in early adulthood, for example, at the age of 28 on average. This is called maturation. By this time, adults reach their peak level of physical strength and full height and weight. Till the end of this stage, stamina and strength start to decline slowly. At the end of the stage, decline starts. If you remember, I told you earlier then that development starts before birth and continues till death. So the decline and decay both are included in the process of development. So this decline or decay is visible at the end of this stage. Then comes the old age. This stage of physical development is marked by some specific signs like turning the hair gray, wrinkles and age spots appear on the face. There may be vein and hearing loss. As well as the bodies lose elasticity and the people get smaller as they grow older. So these were the changes that we study in the physical domain of development. Hope you found it helpful. If so, please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.